All right, good evening. Follow up in the last video of the broken fuel line. So what we're doing is we're replacing this one, but I decided to replace all of them at the same time because with my luck, I'd replace this one, then the next three would break. I also got new lines of these. So I don't have to use these cheap things anymore that the previous owner used. You can tell I got all brand new fuel lines over here. They kind of seem a little thicker than the other ones. And then I've got the all brand new lines that go in between the injectors as well. And wherever it's at, the little vent cap right there for the end fuel line. So gonna be throwing that on right now. That's all I want to get done. And then hopefully I can drive this thing to my new house. I did just get my new keys yesterday in the garage where this thing's gonna live for the next 6 months till maybe I decide to sell it. But for now, it'll have new fuel. So quick video, nothing crazy. All right, got all the lines off, the injector pump. Also, I added a new bolt. It's really hard to see, but it's way down there because my pump was, let's see if you can see the end of it. You can't see the end, but you can see that side right there, the nice shiny one. That my pump was missing that one. Also, I found this tonight. Looks like they use like 8 washers. So gonna replace that guy. So gonna throw the new ones on. I got the injectors tightened. I got the new lines, the new little breather tube. Going. Here, I don't really like that. I didn't want to cut it yet, but I just, it gets a little close to the throttle opening right there. Don't want that line to get pinched, so I got it running this way. I'll probably cut it shorter in the future, but for now, this is fine. And I just want to make sure no leaks happen. So, starting this bitch. Yo, look how mint those look. I actually like these little rubber stoppers better than this weird rubber clamp that used to go in between them all. Used to go kind of like that, but this one's for down there. I don't know. I think I like that one better. But those look good. They all fit. I gotta tighten them up and get the Torx back and stuff, but they fit friggin' perfect. The parts place in Warren, Michigan hooked that one up. $100. Got all new lines plus the rubber hoses, so that was cool. So hopefully it starts tonight. Say hello, Kiki. Say hello. Yeah. Take 3. It didn't start. Oh, got a little leak. Looks like these two gotta tighten them up real quick. Take 4 or 8, something like that. Still got a little leak, but we're getting there. Yo, I think we're good.